I was searching online, read a lot of reviews about ConservatoryLand, and it all was very positive, very good. Customers were satisfied. So I thought, let's go with them. It's something that I've always wanted. I think it makes your house look nice, and I wanted somewhere to sit and have dinner in peace. So it's my new dining room. It's changed my life. I'm just so happy with it. I have a buzz all the time. I'm really relaxed, comfortable in it, very proud of my conservatory. It's my new dining room, so I'm hosting dinner parties in there, and everybody that comes absolutely admires it. I found them very professional. ConservatoryLand, they helped me out with any questions I had, any queries. Obviously, having a conservatory the first time, I wasn't sure how it was going to work and how it was going to plan out, but no, they were very good, ConservatoryLand. Really pleased with them. I know that if I choose an approved installer from ConservatoryLand, they will know what they're doing. They work hand in hand with ConservatoryLand, so I don't have to worry about explaining anything, showing the plans or the maps. They know what they're doing. They were very professional, very good. The timing was brilliant. They were here first thing in the morning, left in the evening. And there was also an inspector from ConservatoryLand on site, which was very reassuring for me. He was here the whole day, bless him, watching what they were doing and how they were doing it. It took 4 days to put the conservatory up, which was really quick. I was just amazed how quickly they worked. They just got on with their job. They were very tidy, very clean. They took away all of their rubbish. No hassle at all. Definitely ConservatoryLand all the way. I'm thinking of having a porch done by ConservatoryLand as well now.